This is our pet-friendly concentrated disinfectant, effective against bacteria, viruses and germs. Ideal for everyone really, pet owners, professional groomers, veterinary clinics, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for yourself and for your pets. In these 8 wonderful fragrances, you'll have plenty to choose from. Now guys, before you even open the lid, you're going to want to shake well before use. Now for general cleaning, we recommend a ratio of 1 to 25, okay? That's 1 part chemical, 25 parts water. For floor cleaning, we recommend 1 to 60. Now that's 1 part chemical, 60 parts water. Again, this is a heavily concentrated product, guys, so use it carefully. Application-wise, you can spray it on, mop it on, whatever's easiest for yourself. Now, we recommend to let it sit for a couple minutes, give it time to dwell, give it time to activate, remove all of that horrible grime and grease you've got there. Now, after you've done that, if it's going to be used on a food-safe environment, you want to be careful. You want to make sure you rinse it away. After it's been rinsed away or it's let to sit, then you want to wipe it off with a dry cloth and then you're good to go. You're going to want to make sure you're wearing gloves and goggles, okay? This is going to protect any sort of direct contact, anything like that, just prevents it all. Now, secondly, you're going to want to keep it sealed and out of direct sunlight, store in a cool and dry place. Not only is this going to keep you safe, but it's also going to protect the integrity of the product, keeping it nice and concentrated for you guys. Now, lastly, when applying this, okay, this is obviously going to be used around pets. When it's wet, you're going to want to try and keep your pet away from it as much as possible. When it's dry, it's perfectly safe for them. Now, you know how to use it, but where to use it. Now, this is a pet-safe disinfectant after all, so dog kennels, veterinary clinics, kitchen countertops, wherever your pet may be, this is going to be perfectly fine. Now, when not to use it, we're always going to say to avoid fabrics with prolonged exposure to food without proper rinsing off. Now, again, this is a pet-safe disinfectant, so it's going to be perfectly safe around your pet, but just try and avoid any direct contact. Now you know how to use and where to use our disinfectant. You can enjoy it in 8 wonderful fragrances, a continued hygienic environment, and I'm sure your pet will thank you later. Enjoy your purchase, guys.